Guys, welcome back to another episode. My name is Nico, and this is Fishing with Harry. Last comp for the season, and the guys are already launching. It's our final, so it's only the top 6 competing today, so we'll see what they can do. It's a comp that runs over 2 days, so it will be today and tomorrow. As you can see, I have not geared up yet to go out. It's quite nippy, if I can say that. It's quite misty if you look in the background there. So I'm going to take my time and see the guys off, and then I'll hit the water a bit later and I'll catch up with you and see what we can do. It's going to be about 27 degrees today, so as soon as the sun comes up, I'm sure that the cold will move away, hopefully. But yeah, so I'll see you in the water a bit later. So Stewie, are you ready for the day, meneer?
Yep.
Lekker, lekker. This is Stuart's kayak. He's still busy packing it out. Some nice compartments under the seat here. Very well organized. That's actually very nice, Stuart.
Yeah, I think it works for me.
Yeah.
Works for me. So makes it easier for me for the day.
And some goodies in the cooler bag in the back here.
Yeah, so my hooks and sunscreen and
yeah, very important, sunscreen.
My go box.
Oh yeah.
So it's all separate.
Cool man. This is Travis. He's with us today again. Not competing in the competition today, but we're gonna fish a bit social. Yeah.
To support the guys and see what it's all about.
Yeah. And then the dam it's well known for a lot of small bass, but I've caught some nice sized bass in this dam before, so it should get some nice ones.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah. Last time we were here, also small ones as well that we pulled out. A lot of small ones.
Yeah, but the guys also pulled out.
Yeah, but that was also
they
further
were
up.
in the late 30s.
Yeah.
So they were decent sizes that came out. A lot of dinks, a lot of small ones.
Yeah. So let's see what happens today.
Definitely.
Still take pictures of your bass so that we can see what comes out.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting to see what the oaks pick up.
Does it have a friendly competition today?
And myself as well, not competing. I didn't make the top 6 for the final, so I'll be fishing social today. But we're still going to show you what we catch. And if I meet you on the water, I'll most probably pop in with the camera and see what you do there.
No problem.
Cool, man.
See if we can beat the top 6. Show them how it's done.
Yeah. Let's do that. Have our own little comp, yeah. That's it. It's actually the second one for the day. The first one was so freaking small, and this one is not much better. But it's slightly bigger. Let's now if I can get the hook out. This was not gonna come off. So the first one was very small. I thought I was bringing back some grass, and it was actually a fish. But this is it. It's now the second one. Yep. And there it goes. Very small. So yeah, I've made a little. Huh? Yeah. Made a little concoction here for a weedless Ned. So basically it's a hook with a small little weight that I clip, and I made the clip with some trace wire, and then there's a split ring and a very small swivel in the front, and with a number 1 wide gap hook, and makes it quite weedless because there's quite a bit of grass around here, and it actually works. So we're gonna try again. I'm just drifting down this grass edge here. There's a little grass edge here, so I'm just drifting down and just casting towards basically paralleling the grass edge. So hopefully they get bigger. This one is bigger than the first one. I didn't even switch the camera on because, like I say, I'm not going to show you how I catch grass, and I really thought I had a bunch of grass on my bait. It didn't, nothing. I couldn't even feel it. Only when it got to the kayak I saw that I actually had a fish on the hook. So yeah, that's how small it was. It was extremely small. Spoke to the guys this morning. I said to them, yes, I must maybe change my channel's name to Dinkmaster or something like that, because yeah, and then for a very long time now I'm only catching small ones. Maybe I must just try bigger baits or something like that, but you know what, I've caught big bass before, Ned rigs and junior flukes and things like that, so you can catch big fish on the smaller baits as well. Small one, and this time on a crankbait, and it's these small ones that causes you to end up with a treble in your finger, but this is extremely small. And yeah, the bait that I used for comparison is a Spur Little John. Yeah, it is. The small little ones are quite aggressive for them, so off it goes. It's spitting out, just spat out quite a bit of something. So I've made quite a couple of casts with the Spur, and didn't get anything, and then I decided to burn it a bit, and that absolutely did the trick. So let's see if that's gonna work again. Man, I definitely have to change my channel name to Dinkmaster. There it is. Yeah, extremely small freaking little bass. There it goes. I've now paddled out, and what I saw on the fish finder is, if you look at the grass there, from the grass, if you come in, it drops from like a 2.5 to 5 meters. I'm sitting in 5. There's like 2.5, and as this bait dropped off, it was on. So let's hope that drop off is not packed with just small little ones. Maybe, hopefully, there are bigger bass on this drop off as well. So it drops about 2.5 meters. And I repositioned, and on the drop off, as it drops off that drop off, I got it. It's yeah, a little bit better. Not a, oh, definitely better than the previous ones, I can tell you that for sure. Definitely better. So 29. Let's check. And there it goes. I'm just showing one of my friends. He's just sitting down from me, and he's battling to actually catch something. I just said I caught another one. It's quite tough today. The bite is not too easy, so that's 5 for the day so far. Eventually a little dink again. Oh, freaking small one again. Just can't seem to get the bigger ones. Let's try this little shallow runner shad wrap. Maybe, just maybe. On on the shad wrap. That was a nice take. Solid take on the shad wrap. Okay, still small. Still very small. I'll just get this hook out so it doesn't small little one on the shad wrap. At least I'm catching them on a variety of baits today, not just the old boring junior fluke and Ned rig that I normally do. But, just as I switch off the camera, I catch another absolute freaking dink. Yeah. Dink master it is. It's solid hookup, I must say, but it's about the same size as the lure. That might be off now. It's still there. Again on the shad wrap, but still small. Yeah, the dinks still keeps on coming, and using this little fella with a shallow runner shad wrap. So yeah. Small ones, like you saw. Size-wise, it didn't go well for me, but everybody, well, a lot of the guys battled. There's a couple of 40s that came out today, so not too bad. The grass there, but it didn't go too bad. But a lot of hundreds of little small bass came out, and. So yeah, so join me on the next video for day 2 at Middelburg.